Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel.
Today I'm going to show you how to remove Google account on Google Chrome. First, open Google Chrome, and then on the upper right part of your screen, click on your avatar. This one in here. And then it will show you all of the accounts that's been signed in to this Google Chrome. And then what you need to do is tap on the gear icon on the right part of other profiles. Here it is. And then it will show you all of the account users. So what you need to do in order for you to remove a Google account in here, whichever you want to select, click on the burger icon beside the profile. So for example, this is what I want to remove. And then you'll have an option to delete the Google account on this Chrome. Since I'm not going to delete it, I'm not going to click that. But basically, that's how to remove Google account on Google Chrome.
If you like this video, please give us a thumbs up, comment down below, and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.